Where's the other one?
Yeah, so yeah, it couldn't fit in there. It couldn't fit. Yeah.
It couldn't fit in
Yeah.
there.
So we fixed this bed. This bed we fixed, Thomas and I.
Wow, thank you, my brother. This is cool.
Yeah, and this. Oh yeah. So this is what I was gonna tell you about. Inside here.
Yeah.
Daramola, I gave him a piece. You just put some glue.
Yeah.
Just put some glue.
I've just kept it here now.
Yeah. Or any glue tack, anything. It's just aesthetic.
Glue.
Yeah, you just put it there and you stick it on.
I'll put it on top of
Yeah,
this
yeah.
and it will go.
Yeah. That's good, yeah.
Then,
Here it is. This is where
I
we
mean,
put
you
it.
can still use this space for
Yeah, you can, yeah.
if you want.
Yeah.
Okay,
Dismantling a bed. Yeah, so I've got my spanners now. Dismantling a bed as well here.